Hi sweets, so today I'm with my twin Yvonne.
Hi.
And I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. We did our makeup to look the same since she's my twin. And if you like to know how you can get this look, how you can achieve this look, just keep watching.
So we're starting off with a face all nude, and then I'll use this first. It's the BB cream by Garnier Skin Renewal, and I'll mix this with the Maybelline Dream Nude Foam Airfoam. A bit of ASMR. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, let's get on with this.
Dime size of this one.
Yes, just a dime size of this one because it's a bit fairer. And mixing it. My hands are clean, don't worry about it.
Why does it feel like you have water soaking in it?
Well, that's why I said I'm supposed to squeeze over.
Yeah, it was a squeeze, but I mean, it doesn't matter.
So yes,
what do
you wet the sponge and you apply it. Just dab it. That's the easiest way to do it.
Oh, so that's primer. Primer. Primer.
We forgot primer.
Oh well.
Yes, we forgot the primer. It's a good thing to put a primer before you put the foundation so it holds on. And sorry, my fast forward isn't working, so just bear with me. Enjoy me dabbing.
She told me that she came alone. Mommy, I'm gonna give you everything you want.
Okay, I put this. This is
Liquid Skin Illuminator by LIS.
Why is it in the
anyway, you can see it. It's Liquid Skin Illuminator.
Yes, it gives a glow. So I'm applying it above her cheeks and just below the eyes.
Is this before the concealer, after the concealer?
We're not doing any concealer.
What about the bags under the eyes?
This is going to conceal it. You don't have any bags under your eyes. You just have
Dark circles.
over your eyelid. Look at bags under the eyes.
Women, you one of the little things they notice. Anyway, let's get on with it. So this is to make it glow. The face.
She says she want a man. We go do the worky. She says she want a romantic.
So it's like a highlighter.
You know what it is? Oh, thank you. It's eyeshadow.
Oh, okay.
Magic dust.
So I'm just going to put that over the nose. It's like a contour.
Your hand is on the camera.
Yeah, what should it be?
Around.
Magician.
Don't you just like the brush?
Look at that. Come closer to this. You look like an Egyptian. Turn this way, please.
I got the brush from 99cents store. Yep.
That under your eyes.
They had a set of those, and they also had a unicorn. I think it looks so nice. The mermaid or fishtail.
We'll do our illuminating. Give the bumblebee stinging look.
Yep. I always say it looks like a bumblebee when, like a bee stung someone when I see the ladies with this highlight. So this Smoke and Mirrors. It's called Smoke and Mirrors Liquid Highlighter.
You're supposed to use your fingers.
No. Push it, my friend.
And I got this too from the 99cent store.
Well, look at that. That's
But
what
it's
the girls
magical.
Ooh, look at that glue.
Ooh.
Cashmere veil.
So this powder is called Cashmere Veil, and it is number 8 by LIS. So now I'm putting the powder after I've applied the foundation and the illuminator, just to make it not be too glowy. So use a wide brush for this so it spreads it properly. And if you think it's too glowy, you can always reduce it, or you can add more if you think you've wiped it off with a powder. And I just put above the lips to highlight the lips, just a little bit at the top. It's like a contouring of the lip area.
Are you doing the smoky eye?
Smoky eyes. For those who smoke.
I don't smoke.
No, you don't. Smoky eye for those who smoke. That's so silly.
What color is
How
it?
about we call it how about we call it firewood eyes? Burnt firewood eyes.
I also have a firewood.
No, this is smoke. I don't know which black smoke that is. Burnt firewood eyes. The African in us. Okay, gosh. We know you guys are Africans. Burnt firewood is I should make it like that. I leave that part for the fun part.
What fun part?
Burnt firewood. Do not look at your eyes because you're going to scream.
Why?
Because you're going to scream.
What have you done?
I put white.
Oh my god.
That's why I said don't look. I don't think
that's not smoky eye.
Since I didn't use concealer, I used that as my concealer. My smoke is coming. My smoke is coming.
Yes, we're having too much fun. So I'm applying the...
I used this first. Then I used this. Now I am using this. Over here. The crease. Then we do a smoky with that. This is shiny gray. Just put it aside of the eyes. Look at it.
Can you put purple on it?
It's just brown. It's just brown. Let's do the eyebrows.
So I'm using a brush to first brush the eyebrows to a natural shape.
Highlight the brows.
Now I use a gold highlighter. It's closer to the skin tone, and I just put it above the and below the natural line of her brow. So you can put it full or thinner according to how you'd like it to be. It makes the brows look like you shaped them or shaved them. And now we're just drawing in the eyebrows using a brown pencil. That's dark brown. So closer to the color of her natural eyebrow colors, not black. Please don't use black.
Why did I have my hand like that? There was something in my hand. I was like, look at my hand.
So just wiping off any excess gold so it looks more natural. It doesn't look too drawn in. So it's like blending. I recommend have a lot of Q-tips handy when you're doing the makeup so you can wipe off anything that is excess.
Mascara.
So this mascara, I also got it from the 99-cent store. Amazing. Yeah, it has a lot. Just wiping it off. It was S&M brand, so still the smoke and mirrors. S&M.
Don't shake. Don't shake. Break it. Maybe don't break it.
Like the highlighter.
Or if you like your eyelashes to be longer, you can do from above only. But I do above and below where you want it to be. To add more. Then you can end from below.
So just use Q-tips to wipe off any excess, as I said. Now I'm doing the bottom brow. Sorry, eyelash. Sorry, you can't see it. Can you wipe off any excess using a Q-tip?
We usually say wait for it to dry. Always add some more powder if you need the powder.
Yes, I said just have Q-tips handy because if you make any mistake, you can always wipe them out. So I suggest if you've wiped out, sometimes you wipe off the makeup, the foundation and powder, so you can always add powder so it doesn't look dark around the eyes, and a Q-tip is the good thing to use for that. And I'm just using the powder to put also below there, and I'm wiping any excess.
Let me give you some gold dust. Gold.
So just putting gold at the corner of the eyes, and I think that it a little goes a long way.
Okay, you can open it.
Using the Q-tip is a good way to put it.
Matte Shiraz.
Fire down, keep on me toe. Bad gal, the walkie walkie and fire down, keep on me toe. Bad gal, me a do the walkie walkie and walkie walkie, do the walkie walkie, oh yeah, walkie walkie make you do the walkie walkie, oh yeah, do the walkie walkie, do the walkie walkie, oh yeah, walkie walkie make you do the walkie walkie, girl. I wanna give it up to you, Daddy.
I got this from a beauty store, but I love the shade. It's really a deep red or true red.
I love your sexy attitude. Yeah, you all I think of.
But I'll add a bit of orange. I think when you're wearing blue or you've done smoky eyes, especially if you have on a glow, when you add a bit of orange, it makes it softer, makes your face glow. When the red has an orange tint to it.
She said she want a romantic boy. Yeah, you all I think of. She said she want a man. We go do the walkie walkie. Oh, yeah, all I think of. She said you want a romantic boy.
And voila, we're all done.
You make me fall in love with you, yeah. Anything you want me to.
So we're done. Let's bring our face closer. Okay. So that concludes the video. If you loved it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe so you can know when next I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.